Saving with Shay. Listen, y'all. I don't know if y'all have noticed that. Well, for starters, hello. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this little picture here, I am Shay with the Pow. If you take a second and subscribe, also make sure to smash that button. Support your girl. So listen, and of course, hype your girl up. So, Walmart has a ton of clearance in their frozen section. I have been seeing it all over IG, and finally I'm getting out today to see if I can score anything. And so I'm gonna walk you through, well, the first store I went to, they didn't have a whole lot, but I did record there, and I'm gonna head over to another store and see if they have anything different there. And so I thought I would just do a quick video for y'all to show y'all what I find in my store. And hopefully I can find something that matches up with rebates. That would be even better. So we're gonna head over to Walmart, see if we can find any clearance, because who don't love food? And on top of that, if we could get some stuff that we actually like, it's even better. So without further ado, let's head over and see if we can find some cheap food. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through my refrigerated section and see what kind of clearance I can find. I'm hoping I can match some stuff up with rebate apps, but we're gonna see. All right, so the first thing that I found was the Daya pizza. It's $2.50, normally $8.12, which is actually not a bad deal. They have these Totino's. I just got David a big bag of these before he left. Guess where they are? Still in my freezer. How much did we pay? $10. They have these for $1.25. Here they have the White Castle chicken rings for $3. This is in the wrong spot. Normally $10.48 and they're $3. That's actually not bad. These meatballs are $3.50. What else? Beyond Meatballs, $1.75. Okay, they have this 4-cheese stuffed pastry for $3.14. They also have this, what is this? The Great Value chicken fried rice. It's $2, normally $7.27. This one right here, $6, normally $9.32. Hot stickers, $2 for that. Whatever was here is $5. These are pretty cheap. The Mila pork soup dumplings. They have one here for $1.50. Okay, they have the Tapateo brand for $2.50. Some of these are $1.75 for this one right here. They have these burritos for 50 cents. I actually wouldn't mind trying them for 50 cents. Maybe I should get a couple of them. Gosh, that's a lot of calories though. Yeah, I'll sit on this one. See if I decide by the time I leave. They have this one right here. Apostle stuffed nacho 3 cheese for $2.50. Looks like they have a couple other flavors as well. This one right here is $2.50. For $2.50. Kids are in summer. No, I don't eat none of this stuff. If David was here, he would for sure eat it though. They have the Better Goods. $1.25. This one's $1. That one actually looks like that might be good. This one is 75 cents, $1.25, $1, and $1.25. TGIF chimichangas for $2.50. And they have these down here for $1.25. $3.50. Well, I would scan them. This is a stir fry. But $1.75, $1.25, $3.50, $1.50. This one right here is 75 cents. This one's $3. And this one's 75 cents. Then this one here, Labor Town, is $1.75. Only $5. And they have this one up here, the Healthy Choice, for $2. It's not that big of a reduction. I just had this one yesterday for lunch yesterday. Added some extra spinach and it was bomb. Okay, then there's this Applegate uncured corn dogs. Normally $8.78 for $2. Not bad at all. I'm at a different store, y'all. They have so many things on clearance at this store, and I freaking love these. In the air fryer, lettuce, tomato, cheese, mayo. That's all you need. So freaking good. Normally, what? These are normally, I think these are normally $8, and you could get them for $2. So I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. Um, these two ladies, they just came and got a bunch of these. They cleared this one. So these up here, $2 as well. Just really, really cheap. That one up there, $2. Um, these right here, $2. I be wanting to try this kind of stuff more often, but I be like scared. What if I don't like it? Eat it with barbecue sauce or ketchup, right? But yeah, all of this is cheap. I just realized that we actually have that Ibotta offer for the 24 ounce, which is a 6 count, for $2.50. So it would make them $1.50 per bag, limit of 5. I'm tempted to get 5. Think I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 2 of them though, because that is really a great deal. 6, yeah. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them. I also found the jammies here too as well for 50 cents. I'm getting like 3 of these because to me these taste just like a freaking Uncrustable dead ass. Cauliflower, $2. This one, $2. I freaking love these, you guys. And this is the 8 count, and they're only $2. Normally $8. I was gonna get the 4 count ones, but those are $2 too. So I'm gonna get 4 of these. And I think I'm gonna put these back because I know I'm not gonna like. I don't know if I'm gonna like these. I know I like these. And this one right here is $2. I like that it has 34 grams of protein in it, and the calories are low. So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. These are $2 as well. And then this is 50 cents. I only found 1 though. And so I'll show you guys what I end up with when I'm all done. Or it's fire. So they have the Premier Protein waffles for $4. They have the Vans for $2. What is this? Chicken sausage. For $4, normally 11. They have the Beyond Steak. They have some that are here for $2 and some for $4. $2 here. Yeah, that's a steal. And with this, sometimes you can find these with dollar peelies as well. They have this one for $2. David he loves this brand. I thought we had an offer on aisle for $2 back. I'll have to double check for sure on that. And they have these up here for 50 cents. For 50 cents. Yes. Why couldn't they have been 50 cents a week ago? That's basically it. $4 for that. That's not bad at all. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm probably gonna post this video by itself. Ibotta totally made me a fan of these right here, the high protein Hot Pockets. I didn't get much. I'm not even gonna front. I had to put some of that stuff back because I was just like, girl. It's funny, you see a clearance, you be like, oh my gosh, you want to wild out. But you know what, to be honest, I'll wild out on some food. For real. Because I like to eat. But I didn't get much. I put the nuggets back because I was just like 200 calories for like 3 nuggets. I'm good. I know just I'm not gonna eat them. So this is all I got. I got 4 of these, and I'm so tempted to go get another one because they're normally $8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 for the price of 1. That's a 4-fer, right? I got 2 of these, although I thought about getting another one of these as well because I like these. This is gonna be my little lunches. And strawberries for the kiddo. And Flavor Wiki rebates with the dollar hang tag. I think I'm gonna get 1 more of these and 1 more of these. But I think this is all I'm gonna get because I don't even have a lot of freezer space, to be honest. But definitely go out, check your stores. Don't rely online because I don't even think online shows the clearance prices. This store here had so much more than the first one. So yeah.